Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best compound bow under $300 you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the compound bow under $300 on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which compound bow are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Sandlita Dragon X8 Compound Bow. The Sandlita Complete Compound Bow and Arrow Accessory Kit is a lightweight and portable size bow that provides a serious hunting performance for young archers, expert shooters, hunters or beginners to shoot their target object with precision and accuracy. Best Budget Compound Bow. The compound bow with a large range of adjustable draw lengths and draw weights without needing a bow press. A bow for everyone. Customer services within 8 hours. Limited lifetime warranty on main parts after your registration within 30 days of purchase. 100% CNC machine cams and modules with the 6061 T6 aluminum material that is aluminum bow riser. Bowstring, BCYX comes with everything you need to start shooting. A5 pin sight, arrow rest and stabilizer. The Pro package includes the extra 12 pieces of carbon arrows, a quiver, a release, an arrow puller, a bow stand and a compound bow case. For details, let's watch more. Our second best compound bow under $300 is Raptor Compound Bow. The Raptor Compound Bow is designed to provide shooters with the highest quality gear for hunting or target shooting. This powerful compound bow is highly adjustable. Whether you're a hunter, bowfishing enthusiast, or into target shooting, this incredibly unique bow offers the versatility for any enthusiast from adult, youth, and even beginner archers. With an axle-to-axle length of 30 and weighing in at only 3.6 pounds, the draw length ranges from 24.5-31 and the draw weight can be adjusted from 30 pounds to 70 pounds without needing a bow press. Both the cams and modules are fully machined aluminum with zero plastic. Compound design allows for 75% let-off and features a split yoke tuning system providing precise adjustments for proper arrow flight. This is a good quality compound bow for the price. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Bear Archery G2 Compound Bow. The Bear Archery Cruiser Light Compound Bow is a versatile bow that boasts of 290 FPS speed. It has a smoother draw and perfect as a starter bow option for shooters who want to grow with their archery skill levels. This compound bow is incredibly flexible, easy to adjust to fit your style and frame as well as setup. Maximum versatility bow is engineered for all ages and skill levels. Ready to hunt bow comes equipped with 6 trophy ridge accessories. Adjustable from 12-inch to 30-inch draw length range and from 5 to 70 pounds peak draw weights. All adjustments are made using an Allen wrench with no need for a bow press. Weighs only 3 pounds and fires arrows at 315 feet per second. Brace height 6.5 inch. These limbs provide unmatched flexibility and rigidity and allow for maximum weight adjustability for a customized fit for any shooter. Fourth recommendation in our side is Creative XP Compound Bow. If you are thinking about buying a bow for adults and teens, the Diamond Archery Prism Compound Bow is highly recommended because it provides extreme adjustability and versatility. While other compound bows are impossible to adjust and tune without a bow press, are not accurate and consistent, or their string and cam break after a few shots, the Glass Harrier right-handed hunting bow is 100% adjustable for adults, youth, and teens. Compact, agile and ready to shoot out of the box. You want to get back into bow archery, improve your bow fishing performance, or just introduce a loved one to bow hunting. Creative XP designed the most efficient compound bow for hunting or archery. The cams and modules are 100% aluminum with zero plastic to ensure full safety and lifetime durability, while the high-end strings will squeeze all the speed out of every shot. The resting basket was also decent quality. The trigger key is basic, I recommend a better one, but it works. Last in our top 5 best compound bow under 300 list is Pandera's Compound Bow. If you are looking for a top performing compound bow to handle your hunting adventure, then I strongly recommend Pandera's Compound Package. This bow comes with cam systems that allow archers to generate huge amount of kinetic energy into the bow ready to shoot a target. Adjustable draw weight and draw length without bow press, available in red, green, blue, black, and pink. String stopping function. The speed is higher than the same bow. Please read the manual carefully before you operate the bow. The bow is for women, youth and beginner as an entry-level compound bow.